Let us solve a question on choice under uncertainty. The question is like this: the utility function of an individual is given as u is equal to under root w. This is the utility function for wealth. If her initial wealth is 36, will she accept a lottery in which she wins 13 with probability 2 upon 3 and lose 11 with probability 1 upon 3? Okay, so actually we are being told that utility function is under root w. Initial wealth of the agent is 36. Okay, she is being offered a lottery in which there is chances that she will, let us say we have a lottery, she will win 13 with probability 2 upon 3, and there is also chance she will lose, uh, and in this case she will lose 11 rupees with probability 1 upon 3. We need to see whether she will accept this gamble or not. Okay, how do we decide this? So what is our initial wealth? Initial wealth is being given us. Initial wealth is 36. Okay, we are being told. Now what is the expected value? Expected value of this wealth, this is simply 36. So this 36 is the initial wealth. It is sure that she will have this very amount. Okay, now what is the utility of expected value? What is the utility of this wealth? So we are being given the utility function is under root w. So this is our w also. Okay, so 36 which comes out to be 6 square, so square root cancelled, so we have utility of expected value is equal to 6. Okay, this is the utility of expected value. Now we need to find out the expected utility of lottery. Okay, so we calculate expected utility of lottery. Okay, now expected utility of lottery, let us denote it by like this. Expected utility of lottery will be equal to, so there is 2/3 chances, so 2 upon 3 is the chances that she will win rupees 13. Okay, so in this case we have utility of, what is the initial value, that is 36, plus she will win this 13. Okay, also there are chances that she will lose 11 rupees. That means the probability of losing is 1 upon 3. Utility of, in this case what will be her wealth? So initial wealth is 36 and she loses 11. Okay, so this comes out to be 2 upon 3 utility of this very, so utility function is being given us under root w. So we can write here 36 plus 13 comes out to be 49. So we have 49 plus 1 upon 3. 36 minus 11 comes out to be 25, which gives us, let me write it here, 2 upon 3. So this is perfect square, so this comes out to be 7 square. So let me write it here like this: 7 square plus 1 upon 3, we have 5 square. Okay, so 5 square root gets cancelled. We get 2 upon 3 into 7 plus 1 upon 3 into 5. Oh, this comes out to be 2 sevens are 14 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3, and which comes out to be 19 upon 3. Okay, 19 upon 3 is 3 6s are 18, 1 gets carried, so this becomes 3 6s are 18, we are left, this becomes 19 again, so this comes out to be 6.66. Okay, so we see expected utility of lottery is 6.66. Okay, now how do we decide whether she will accept this lottery or not? Since the utility of expected value or utility of certain amount is only 6, and expected utility of lottery is 6.66. Whenever the expected utility of lottery is greater than the utility of expected value, in this case the agent will accept the lottery. Okay, so we can write it like this. If I rub this out here, so this is our initial wealth here. Okay, so this is our initial wealth here. Let me write it here. So here how can we decide? Here we can see expected utility of lottery is greater than utility of expected value. Okay, utility of expected value is 6, expected utility of lottery is 6.66. So we have here 6.66 is greater than 6. In this case she will accept the lottery. Okay, so she will play the lottery. If it was like this, expected utility of lottery was less than utility of expected value. Okay, let me write it here like this. Okay, expected value, in this case she would have rejected to play the lottery. Okay, if expected utility of lottery was equal to the utility of expected value, so in this case she would have been indifferent between her initial wealth and lottery. Okay, so we use expected utility to compare whether an individual will accept a lottery or a gamble or reject a gamble. Okay, so the question was, we were being given the initial wealth and utility function was being given us as u is equal to under root w. We were being told whether she will accept this lottery or not if she wins 13 with probability 2 upon 3 and lose 11 with probability 1 upon 3. First we write what is her initial wealth. Okay, initial wealth is 36, which is also the expected value of the wealth here. Okay, now utility of expected wealth can be found. Since we have the utility function, just plug the expected value into the utility function, we get utility of expected wealth, which came out to be 6. Then we need to compare this utility of expected value with the expected utility of lottery. Now expected utility of lottery is simple. We multiply each outcome, so 2 upon 3 into utility that she wins plus 1 upon 3 into utility that she lose. Okay, so 2 upon 3 into utility that she wins. So in case she wins, so she has the initial wealth plus the amount she wins, so we have 36 plus 13. In case she loses, so she has initial wealth minus the loss amount, which is 11 here. Okay, so we have 2 upon 3 into, since utility function for wealth is being given us here, so in place of this u, we can write under root 49 plus 1 upon 3 under root 25. Here we can see expected utility of lottery is greater than the utility of expected value. In this case the and this agent or individual will accept the gamble. Okay, I hope I make myself clear. Thank you.